Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q1 of the weekly contest 343. Determine the winner of a bowling game. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. So these problems, to be honest, let's see. I took about 2 minutes. I mean, a minute of that, or like 15 seconds of that is loading. But to be honest, I hate these kind of problems. Not these kind of problems, and what I mean by this kind of problem is that problems that pretends to be real life but not. Because if you're gonna call it bowling, you can't make up your own rules and then pretend it's bowling, right? Like, there's strike, there's spares, there's stuff like this. If you're gonna do something like this, just call it something else. Don't call it bowling, So that's why it kind of confuses me, because I actually know how to score, a bowling game. I get confused and have to, like, almost for me, it takes an extra step to not remember anything I know, and then just kind of, reread the problem for something. So it's a little bit weird, but otherwise, to be honest, it's not that bad. Basically, the way that I did it, and this is actually kind of ugly code, maybe that's why it took so long, just that one thing that you want to do is, have a helper function, which I do, so that you don't have to write the same code twice. But this is actually pretty awkward anyway, to be honest. It is what it is. So basically, just to score one away, you just, see if you need to double. If you need to double, you double. If not, you do a regular, and then you just return the total. You get the score, you do a comparison, and this is going to be linear time, constant space, and that's pretty much it, really. You look at the last two elements to see if it is exactly a 10. Yeah, that's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions for stuff like this, and yeah, you could watch me solve it live during the contest now. Okay, okay, let's see. In any, otherwise, that's really, this is not, they should not call it bowling, because that's not quite bowling, but okay, fine. Oh, okay. Return 0. Yeah, right. Mm-hmm. 1 2 0. Okay, good. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, fine. Hey everybody, this is Larry. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.